in the previous couple of videos about this multi-tester is out of focus, and it bothered some people, so I'm gonna switch cameras and um, took the camera that had that out of focus and zooming on it and put a Microsoft webcam on there, and it looks to me at least much sharper. And so I'm going to scroll over here and I'm going to demonstrate what this tester does and how it does it. So as right now I have in there this unit, which is the infrared for the infrared option, which is here and has a 2 out of 1s on the front sensors. So if you push one time, nothing happens. But if you push and hold, it turns on. And I have it made that it goes automatically into this mode. As you can see right here, it says about, but it has other like infrared, detect, and center, and so on. Because it has just one button, you have to do a short click if you want to go one down, and then if you want to go to the top, you push again, short click, and it wraps around and goes back to detector, and then infrared, center, and then setup. So then if you want to go inside the setup, you hold the button and it comes up in here and it says select auto off and the start mode, return and exit. So it's on a auto off. I'm going to go ahead and make a long turn, and then in here you can actually adjust how many seconds it does that, for how many seconds. So I'm going to do it for 60 seconds and then hold down the button, and now it's good there. So after 1 minute it shuts off by itself. Okay, the next thing is the start mode. So I clicked once, went to start mode, again hold it, and then it says to go to main menu, and I'm going to click it once, go to the tester immediately, and then hold the button, and then I go down to exit, and there it is. Now we are in a test mode for the ZIF socket. It of course detected something here already, which is fine. We'll just wiggle it loose. Sorry that my hand is in the video, but there's no other way of doing it. And then this is the ZIF socket, and there we go. And now it's in a test mode, and I can just push this button here, which is called the test or start button, one time, and off it goes to test in this case MOSFET. Okay, it also comes with a surface mount plate for surface mount parts that you just put on and hold them down and read them that way. And then of course it came with these test leads, and these test leads would basically go right here where the MOSFET was, and you just take these 3 pins and then just stick them. I usually just hold them together like that, and then I'll just put all 3 of them in, so they are in a 1, 2, 3 position, and then just lock down the ZIF socket, and now you can reach farther if the part is bigger, or you know, one end is over here and the other end is over there, and then you can test things this way. And as you can see, the auto power just turned off. So now let me just get this off, and let me just show you another thing that this does. So I'm going to go ahead and click and hold, and it's going to go to this menu. If you want to go to that other menu, you push 2 times quickly, and it gives you that infrared and so on and so forth option. And again, just push once to go 1 down, again 1, just push, push, push. If I want to exit, I go to the exit and then hold the button, and then it's going to go back to the test mode. Okay, so I hope that this will make it better, and the people who wanted to make it make my video sharper, hopefully this will satisfy them. Okay, have a good day.